Hello and welcome. I'm Financial Standard Editor Mark Smith. Today I'm joined by La Trobe Chief Investment Officer Chris Andrews, and we're here to talk about the group's peer-to-peer investment strategy. Hi Chris, thanks for joining us.
Thanks Mark, it's great to be here.
So what is peer-to-peer investment?
At its core, peer-to-peer investment refers to the joining of an investor with a borrower. Now, some recent P2P entrants have developed models that are marketed as peer-to-peer, but are actually pooled investment schemes. But for those advisors and investors that are after genuine peer-to-peer investment, there is a vibrant and flourishing market available.
And what are advisors and investors looking for with peer-to-peer investment?
Well, our advisors and investors are after capital stable investments that generate premium income returns. And they're looking to do so through an investment model that offers them choice and control. Peer-to-peer investment really hits the target perfectly here.
So tell us about La Trobe Strategy with peer-to-peer investment.
La Trobe Financial's Select Mortgages option is part of the La Trobe Australian Credit Fund. It allows investors to invest in individual loans. All are secured by a registered first mortgage, so we're not talking about unsecured personal lending, and returns range between 5.5 and 8.5% per annum. We've got around 500 loans and around $300 million in the portfolio. At any one time, something like 50 loans are available for investment. We believe that this is the largest, most robust peer-to-peer portfolio in Australia.
And how's it different to similar offerings on the market?
Well, first, our advisors and investors get to select from a diverse range of mortgage loans across Australia. All are subject to our rigorous credit assessment and none has a loan-to-value ratio higher than 75%. This diversity allows advisors and investors to choose the loans that suit their own risk profiles. Second, our offering is built around a registered managed investment scheme. We're time-tested and completely transparent. Investors get full disclosure in relation to their individual loans, and we report comprehensively on the whole portfolio each month. Finally, and unlike many peer-to-peer startups, we have over 60 years experience in the asset class and around 20 years in the peer-to-peer space. We've seen good times and bad, and our processes are battle-hardened.
So how can advisors and investors access La Trobe's peer-to-peer offering?
Our PDS is available at latrobefinancial.com. Once it's been executed, advisors and investors can browse our online shopping list for the loans that suit their individual preferences. For each loan, they receive a copy of a supplementary PDS with details of that specific loan, and they can even request a copy of the independent valuation of the security property. There's no need to fund the entire loan. The minimum investment is just $1,000, so advisors and investors can even build their own portfolios. We've really leveraged technology to make the investment process easy and transparent. That's just fundamental to what we do.
Well, Chris, sounds like a really interesting strategy. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Mark.
And thank you for joining us here on FSI TV. We'll see you next time.